What's shaking, fellow tech aficionados? Buckle up, because today, here at All You Could Know, we're about to embark on a technological journey through the intricate world of iPhones. Today, we're not just talking about features you already know. We're going to delve into the unseen, the hidden gems that make the iPhone a marvel of modern technology. We're talking about 10 tips and tricks that will turn you from a casual user into an iPhone power user. We're going to explore the hidden backspace in the calculator, the magnifier tool, custom vibration patterns, one-handed keyboard, and so much more. These aren't your everyday iPhone tips. These are the secrets that will elevate your tech game to wizard status. Are you pumped? Well, you should be. Let's dive headfirst into this digital adventure. Okay, let's kick things off with the calculator. It's not just about numbers and math headaches. Our trusted calculator, usually associated with complex equations and those dreadful tax calculations, holds a hidden gem. Let's say you're deep into a calculation and oops, you key in the wrong digit. You typically hit C and start over, right? Not anymore. There's a hidden backspace lurking right there in plain sight. Just swipe left or right on the numbers and like magic, the last digit you entered vanishes. No need to start from scratch, just swipe away your error and carry on. It's so simple yet so brilliantly handy. It's like having a secret cheat code for math. So next time you're crunching numbers, remember this little trick. It's going to make your life so much easier. Your calculator just became your math accomplice. Are you tired of squinting at tiny text like a detective from a noir film? Well, it's time to put away your magnifying glass and let your iPhone do the detective work for you. Hidden within your device's settings is a tool that turns your smartphone into a sophisticated magnifying glass. To enable this feature, simply navigate to your settings. Within settings, you'll find an option labeled Accessibility. Click on that, and you'll find a treasure chest of tools designed to make your iPhone experience even smoother. Among these gems is the Magnifier Tool. Flick on the switch next to Magnifier, and you've just unlocked a new level of iPhone mastery. Now, whenever you triple press the side button, your iPhone turns into a digital magnifying glass. It's perfect for reading those tiny texts or examining intricate details. It's like being Sherlock Holmes in a digital world elementary, my dear iPhone user. Let's shake things up a bit, literally. Did you know that you can make your iPhone dance to your tunes, or rather, your vibrations? That's right, you can actually customize vibration patterns for your contacts. So how do you do it? Well, it's as easy as pie. Jump into your Contacts app, select a contact, tap on Edit, and then look for the Vibration option. You'll see a list of preset vibrations, but the real magic happens when you tap on Create New Vibration. Here you can tap and hold to create your own unique rhythm, your own secret Morse code, if you will. You can assign different vibrations to different contacts, making it easy to know who's calling without even looking at your phone. It's like your iPhone is playing a symphony of vibrations tailored by you for you. So go ahead, give it a try. Your iPhone just became your personal drummer. Now let's tackle a classic struggle typing with one hand on those bigger iPhones. We've all been there, trying to juggle a coffee cup, a shopping bag, or an umbrella, and needing to send a text at the same time. The struggle is real, but guess what? Your iPhone has a solution. It's called the one-handed keyboard. Yes, it's as cool as it sounds. Here's how it works. When you're ready to type, hold down the emoji or globe icon on your keyboard. A couple of options will pop up, one for right-handed typing and another for left-handed. Choose your preference, and just like that, your keyboard will shift to one side, making it much easier to type with a single hand. No need to perform finger gymnastics anymore, so next time you find yourself in a one-handed predicament, give this trick a whirl. Your fingers will thank you for this one, trust me. Time is money, right? And in our fast-paced digital world, every second counts. But what if I told you there's a way to save both time and finger energy when typing out those frequently used phrases on your iPhone? Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to the world of text replacement shortcuts. Here's how it works. You go to Settings, then you find General. Now look for Keyboard and dive into text replacement. It's here that you can create shortcuts for those phrases you find yourself typing over and over again. So, for example, you can set up your iPhone so that every time you type OMW, it automatically expands it to On My Way. Pretty neat, right? Think of it as having your own text ninja at your disposal. Quick, precise, and a massive time saver. It's the little things that can make your iPhone experience just that much smoother. And remember, it's not just about knowing, it's about utilizing. So go ahead, give it a try. DIYers, this one's for you. Ever found yourself in a tight spot wishing your iPhone could be more than just a sleek device? Well, your wish has been granted. Access the Compass app on your iPhone, and with just a simple swipe to the left, a hidden tool reveals itself. Lo and behold, a bubble level appears. Yes, you heard that right. An actual level tool right at your fingertips. With this, you don't need to haul around a heavy toolbox. Your iPhone just morphed into a digital handyman. Whether you're hanging pictures on the wall, assembling a new piece of furniture, or setting up a pool table, this hidden level tool is a game changer. It's accurate, easy to use, and always right there in your pocket. Hanging pictures or assembling furniture just got a whole lot more straightforward. You're the MacGyver of iPhones now. Picture this. You spot something amazing, a moment you must capture ASAP. Your heart races, adrenaline pumps, but wait, your phone is locked. Fear not, dear friend, your iPhone is here to save the day. No need to scramble through passcodes or face recognition. Simply swipe left from your locked screen and boom, your camera springs into action like a superhero. No more fumbling around, no more missed opportunities. It's as quick as a cat and as slick as a spy movie. Just swipe and snap and let your iPhone do the rest. It's that simple, it's that efficient. And the best part, you're always ready for that perfect shot. It's like having a paparazzi moment, but you're the star of the show. So next time that unmissable moment presents itself, remember this trick and let your iPhone capture it in all its glory. Love reading but hate chewing through your data? Well, today we're going to let you in on a secret trick that might just be your saving grace. Enter Safari's offline reading feature. This handy tool lets you save articles for later, even when you're off the grid. Here's how it works. When you stumble upon an article that catches your eye but you don't have time to read, tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. A menu will pop up. From here, select the Add to Reading List option and voila! Your article is saved for offline reading. To access your saved articles, simply tap the book icon at the bottom of the Safari screen and select the glasses icon. Your reading list is ready and waiting, even without an internet connection. Your reading list just became your offline sanctuary, the newsstand in your pocket. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 iPhone tricks that will surely up your tech game. We've journeyed from the hidden backspace in the calculator to the Magnifier Tool to customizing vibration patterns and even one-handed keyboard typing. We've also tackled text replacement shortcuts, discovered a hidden level tool, learned quick photo access, and explored offline reading with Safari. These tricks are not just about convenience. They're about transforming your iPhone into a personal assistant, a toolbox, and a magic wand, all rolled into one. They're about making your iPhone work smarter, not harder, and about elevating your tech game to wizard status. So go forth, tech aficionados, armed with these tricks, and let your iPhone reveal its true potential. Until next time, remember, your iPhone is more than a phone, it's your tech wizard in disguise.